Hello, let me show you how to create a random number in Swift. But this is latest version of the Swift and Xcode. To create a random number, first we need to create a variable var number, and this is as int. I'm going to assign a default value. Now in this viewDidPlot function, I'm going to use number colon int random int.random. Now we have to give closest range. To do that, I'm going to use 0 to 10. First we have to use 0 and we have to use tree of dot. Remember, there is a 3 dots and the last number is 10. Now we can use this number as a random number, and also we can do this when we creating a new variable number 2 colon int equals int dot random. Now we have to use closest range as I'm going to use 0 to dot 100. Okay, it provides some random numbers like maybe 1, maybe this one, maybe this one. It depends on the random program. Okay, thank you.